On top inside the door today, Obaseki, Tambuwal, Ihedioha don Jollificate with Okowa as the Nack age 60. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don join other governors, Governor Ihedioha of Imo State and Governor Aminu Tambuwal of Sokoto to take celebrate Delta State Governor, Senator Dr. Okowa as the Nack ogbonge 60 years for the earth. Governor Obaseki tok say Okowa na man wey get respect and na person wey be say na jeje na im life dey go and na person wey good well well. E say sake of dis go make Edo State join hand with Delta State to bring the glory the one wey Bende State wey be get before. Obaseki say Okowa na im brother make people forget say dem belong to different political party. E tok say him and Okowa at ten d the same university, dat na University of Ibadan, and dem get ogbonge history together. E tok say dem don tire make people dey laugh government as e be say time don reach wey dem go join hand together to carry Nigeria waka forward. And dis kind plan na im all political leaders suppose dey do to take make sure say Nigeria waka go the next level.
I'm here to celebrate with a brother. And when I say brother, I mean a brother in the true sense of the word. I had the privilege of being in school with him in Ibadan when he came to study medicine in the University of Ibadan. I was in Zik Hall, where the real tough ones were, and he was in Kuti Hall, where the gentlemen were. And as you can see, as you'll see from the tributes, we had another colleague, Professor Erosa Sarai, who was in Independence Hall. So that tells you I've shared a long history of relationships with Dr. Okowa. But he's somebody I have a lot of respect for. So much has been said about him today that he is as cool as Kokumba. You dare him at your own peril, because he will not go out of his way to upset you. He's always there to support and assist, but if you cross your bounds with him, then you know the true character of this gentle leader. I'm here to come and to felicitate with you, to bring good tidings from home to you, to assure you that we wish you well, we continue to pray for you, and that you know that our destinies are linked. We will become Bender again. I want to thank you for the support you've continued to give us in Edo, and to assure you that the plans we have to make this region the premier region in this country are in full force, and we will ensure that we do what we need to do. I want to just assure you that even though we're on different sides of the divide, we have one common purpose: to build a country, to introduce a new ethos to the political life of our country. We are simply tired of being the laughingstock of the world. And so those ideals, those ideas we used to share from campus, from school, 30, 40 years ago, this is the time to live those ideals. This is the time to give back to our country so that we can leave Nigeria much better off than we met it.
Imo State Governor Right Honorable Ihedioha talk say Okowa na people man and a correct leader, the one wey dey make sure say life sweet well for the people wey dey Delta State. And Delta State people, then they enjoy wetin they call dividend of democracy.
So for Deltans, you have a man that has shown us that he's a wonderful and good umpire. He has demonstrated at the level of the party at the national that he's a man that we can trust. And because we trust you, my people trust you, and I'm sure Deltans will continue to trust you, and you continue to provide good leadership to your people. I wish you well as you attain 60 years of age. My family and indeed members from my states, with a strong delegation, our former Minister Charles Okowa and others have come to associate with you today to say, have a wonderful day. May God grant you many more years of fulfillment on earth.
Governor Tambuwal Aminu constantly talk say na jackpot na in Delta State people na in dem hit as dem put Okowa for second term. As e be say dem get governor wey ready to serve and lis ten to the people with everything wey e get. Governor Okowa come thank everybody as dem follow and jollificate for this age 60, the one wey don enter so.
I therefore bring all the felicitations, the brotherhood of the people of Sokoto State to you, the good people of Delta, and in particular, my elder brother, the governor, on this very, very wonderful and auspicious day of his life, where we're here marking his gallant entry into the Diamond Club. Very honest, and most especially, so that you can continue to work for the good of the people of Delta and indeed for Nigeria at large. Happy birthday, my brother.
Governor Okowa come thank everybody as dem follow and jollificate for this age 60, the one wey don enter so.
And glory to the Lord our God, who has kept me in this past 60 years, 60 whole years. Thank you for being with me. It's been a very, very exciting afternoon. You have made my day great, and may God continue to visit you with His grace for this that you have done for me. God bless each and every one of you.
Now here we see and reach on top waiting shele for inside Edo today as Governor Obaseki don join Ihedioha and Tambuwal take jollificate with Senator Dr. Okowa, Governor of Delta State, as he enter age 60. Make una no forget say this ogbonge informate na T Live Media na Intandara and Gidigba put for una. And to continue to dey get this clear and sharp informate on top waiting the shele for inside Edo. Make una no forget to subscribe, like and comment for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. And if you still follow us, waka enter Facebook to like and follow our page for T Live Media.